Eric, you can see behind me, these plants are already 5, creeping up on 6 feet tall. They are ahead of schedule this year, and we learned a lot about these plants and other invasive species tonight from a local expert. These bright yellow flowers are a vivid indication that spring is just around the corner. This is the black mustard plant, named for its tiny black seeds. It has taken over hundreds of acres of open space in the Sacramento region, and it is especially prolific right now in North Natomas, but it is not native to California.
It makes a lot of seeds. It invades crops that it's not supposed to be in, like this hayfield. There's a little bit of a substance that it drops to suppress the growth of other plants. So it's kind of a bully.
Tanya Meyer is a senior program manager with the Yolo County Resource Conservation District, and she works with the California Invasive Plant Council. She says the recent rain was part of a perfect storm, allowing plants and weeds to thrive.
And then this warm weather that we're having is really going to make all plants grow fast, but these guys are going to grow faster.
These guys she's referring to are the non-native invasive plants. Looking at this big open field in Woodland, she estimates 95% of the plants here fit that description.
They push out the native plants and all the animals and insects and the whole food chain that you learned about in grade school. They interfere with that.
The invasive plants, like the black mustard, grow tall very quickly, and when they dry out, they become major fuel for fire. The mustard seeds survive those fires and bring this crop back every year. We've spoken with the Sacramento Fire Department in the past about how important it is that property owners cut these down before they dry out.
People might not think of it as a big fire danger because it's just in a vacant lot, but these vacant lots are butted up against communities, and that can quickly spread to what we call an outside-in fire, the fire burning from the outside and getting into the interior of the building.
There are ongoing efforts in some areas to bring back the native landscape. Meyer brought us to the Pacific Flyway Pond in Woodland, where thanks to a state grant, the Yolo County Conservation District has implemented a multi-agency program to remove invasive plants and restore ones that are natural to this area. She encourages people to look for habitat restoration volunteer opportunities and to become educated about invasive plants.
Even more rewarding is to learn the native plants in this state, because California has an incredible array of native plants, from the valley floor to the coast to the high Sierra. There's all different plants, and that's the beautiful diversity of this state, because there are so many different landscapes.
And the experts have a variety of methods for getting rid of invasive plants. They use pulling, mowing, grazing. Sometimes they bring in animals to graze, and also herbicides. But they always check to make sure there are no animals, birds nesting in there before they go in with machinery. Live in Natomas, in the field, covering local news that matters. Dennis Shanahan, Fox 40 News.
Live in the field. Dennis, thank you.